Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Jackie. My name is Jackie Owen and today I'm going to show you 7 free amazing online marketing strategies that you can start right now. And I promise you this will help you generate up to more than 60% lead. Before we move on, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to my new YouTube channel Tech Jackie. Since this is the first video of the channel, I'd like to show you some of my guidelines regarding this. First, I'll be uploading video on every Wednesday of the week, or if not on Thursday, because sometimes I may not get time to do it. Second, the content of the video will be related to my blog post on my official website. I release 2 blog posts per week, and that is on Monday and Thursday. So after each video, I'll be providing the link to my blog post so you can learn more about the videos. And lastly, if you want to learn more about Tech Jackie or know who am I, you can click on the link on the right top corner of the video. Without much further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's see why you should opt for online marketing. According to the stats of 2018, there are over 4.021 billion of internet users, out of which 37% are active social media users, and this number is increasing 7% year on year. So you must be pretty interesting to know more about this, right? Well, let's get started. The first strategy which I'm going to show you is personal branding. Well, what is personal branding? Personal branding simply means building up your online profile or portfolio so you can compare this to a business card in the real world. Why personal branding? Well, personal branding gives you opportunity to leverage a more trustworthy personal image to promote your brand. And remember, this is the most important step that you should take before moving to another strategy. This is like a fundamental step that you should take. There are 2 ways which you can create a personal branding. First, through social media profile. Second, through your website. Another benefits of personal branding is it also gives you more power to connect and meet new people. On your website, you may provide a section for contact, for explaining about your business, or a testimonial sections. According to the studies, websites which has testimonial sections perform much more than 30% better than other websites. Second strategy, leverage SEO. For those who don't know what SEO means, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of affecting online visibility of website or web pages. Well, the key idea here is to optimize your website in such a way that it becomes easily searchable on search engines like Google, Bing, etc. Think about this. You have a website, but you don't have traffic. How bad would that be? Right? So there are 4 fundamental steps which you should take to start with SEO. The first step is to target market analysis. You can't start SEO without targeting your competitor market. You should analyze what your audience are, who are your audiences, and what do they want. Second is the keyword research and development. SEO revolves around the concept called keywords. Keywords are small phrases which people search on search engines. For example, restaurant in Los Angeles, barber near me, etc. These keywords should be related to your business. Third, content optimization. What I mean is, whenever you write a text on your website, you should write it in such a way that it revolves around your centerpiece keywords. Another key point is the images or your site's performance. Fourth is continuous testing and measuring. SEO revolves from time to time. Google optimizes its search ranking algorithm almost every three months or so. So you should always adapt to the changes and be ready for the upcoming changes by Google or other search engines. Third strategy which I'll be providing is social media marketing. Over the past few years, social media has become an important platform for promoting business. The reason is because it's so easy to connect to people. If you ask people, they will suggest you to go for paid ads on Facebook, on Instagram, or Twitter, etc. But in reality, you can just follow these simple tips which promises to help you boost your visibility and engagement. First, whenever you upload your content on social media, try to incorporate videos or original image contents rather than Google stock images. You can visit sites like pixels.com to get more of an original image content. Make the content emotional and deeply connected with humanity. Have you ever noticed why team members' pictures perform much better than other pictures? Because it has some connections with humanity, teamwork. Don't just promote about your business, give something valuable and entertaining. People come to social media not just to buy products or services, but simply they want to connect and find something entertaining. Give something valuable and entertaining so that you don't lose audience. Ask for feedback and reviews. This is one of the most key factors which every business should do. This provides an improvement and opens a new door for engagement in future. Join relevant groups and contribute. Join similar groups which related to your business or community. For example, if you're running a restaurant business, you may want to join a local restaurant business on Facebook or Twitter, something like that. Reply to comments. This is another key factor which people don't do usually. Replying to comments requires much more effort than likings or following. If you reply to comments, people will start coming back to you, and this is a small secret. To learn more about SEO and social media marketing, I have a blog post on my website and I'll be releasing the video soon. Stay tuned. Lastly, help others along the way. Competitors are not meant to be competed, but to be helped. Sometimes you may need a help from other competitors to finally get you to what you want. And this is another key secret which many people miss. Now, next strategy which I'm going to show you is email marketing. In this age of social media, you would not even consider email as a tool to promote your business, right? Well, if you think so, you're wrong. According to the stats from Disruptive Advertising, email marketing has an average ROI of 3,800%. Think about that. For every dollar of investment, you earn $38. In US alone, more than 85% of adults send or read email. So how do you go about starting this? Well, first, build up email list. Gather email list from your clients or customers either through your website or meetings. Use tools like MailChimp, which later on I'll be introducing you to create campaigns and send out to subscribers. Provide some additional contents for your customers in exchange for emails, for example, pop-up for signing up exclusive content. People won't just give you emails, and they do usually expect something exclusive in return. Provide them some additional exclusive contents only through emails. I'll tell you why in my email marketing videos, or you can read more on the blog on my website. Try to send different mails exclusively for each customer. This will create a good impression. The next strategy which I'm going to show you is start a blog. Well, first thing that comes to your mind, why a blog? According to the statistics, B2B marketers that use blogs receive 67% more leads than those who don't. By 2020, customers will manage 85% of their relationship without talking to a human. Marketers who prioritize blogging gain 13% more ROI than those who don't. So now you must be thinking, I'm not good at writing. How will I go about creating a good blog? Well, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps which I'm going to give you, and I promise you you'll be able to write a good and excellent blog. First, choose a blog topic which you're passionate about. It doesn't have to be related to your business. By doing this, you'll be able to write hundreds of blogs without even thinking about topics or what to write. By doing so, you gain traffic and personal connections with your audiences, which in turn can help with your business by referring your business to your audiences in the future. When writing, use more of an active voice. This creates personal connections between you and your readers. When people come to your site, first thing they notice is design. Use good quality images from websites like pixels.com or premium theme from sites like themeforest.com if you have built your website using WordPress. Subdivide your blog post into subheadings and small paragraphs. This will not only increase readability of your article, but also leverage on-page SEO, in which I'm going to talk about it in my upcoming video. Try to use as many infographics and stats as possible. This will help you increase your backlinks on your website. Backlinks is one of the most important factors in SEO. And how this helps? Well, think about this. Nowadays, there are over 1.6 billion blogs on the internet. So the quantity is not as relevant as quality in today's world. So when your site has valuable information like infographics and stats, other websites are willing to source your website by referring your websites, and in this way, you'll be able to gain backlinks. Try to incorporate personal experiences. YouTube videos which incorporate personal experiences are shown to have more views and engagement than those which don't. Again, this is the same as social media marketing strategy. You should always incorporate personal experiences and connections. And the sixth strategy which I have for you is start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. As of 2017, YouTube gets about 36 million visitors per day, and about 1.3 billion of people are active on YouTube daily. And this number is increasing rapidly. Without much being said, you and me, we both know how much valuable the traffic on YouTube is. There are three types of content which people prefer on YouTube. First one is educational content, that is tutorials, how-tos, etc. Entertainment. And third, live demonstration and personal connection. There's a video by GoPro which demonstrates firefighters broke into the house to save kids. This video got over millions views and engagement simply just because it demonstrates the life and personal connections. People love going to YouTube to find solutions to their problems in an attractive and easy to understand way. So whenever you create videos, make sure it provides people solutions to a problem. Last but not the least, join affiliate programs. For those who don't know what an affiliate marketing is, well, it is a type of marketing which involves a merchant paying a commission to other online entities, which in this case is you, for referring merchants' business websites, services, or products. In simple words, you get paid every time a person you refer to click or purchase the merchant's desired entity. Basic steps to get started. First, find affiliate program, the biggest being Amazon. Once you sign up for the program, you get an affiliate link. The link is unique and contains your affiliate ID. And through this link, you'll be able to keep track of the clicks, the payout, and the money you make. For commission percentage, it usually starts from 30 to 75%. For variation in affiliate programs, you may visit websites like clickbank.com, which offers you thousands and thousands of variations in prices, ranges, and products you want to advertise. And that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe for the upcoming videos in the future. And if you have any questions, you may leave them in the comment section, or if you want any improvement in the future, you may also do that. And for now, thank you and have a nice day. Happily to answer them.